Good afternoon, I'm Jordan with Park Superior Sales. Today we're going to be looking at a 2024 Chrysler Voyager first call van. This is the Swiss Army knife for a funeral home. Such a versatile vehicle. This is a black on black Chrysler van. Up front you just have your standard badging, got your grille here, alloy wheels, Yokohama tires. You do have the option for a B and C pillar here on the side, and you do have that removable landau panel for that third window here. Everything around, all the doors are power, so just a click of your key fob here, you will have the side door open on its own automatically. And what you'll see in here, you'll see the casket floor here, Alicante floor. Moving to the rear of this 2024 Chrysler Voyager van, you do have an option to, like I said, that power liftgate. There's a button here, or you could use the key fob there to open it. Makes it easy access to get in and out of. In the casket area of this van, you do have that Alicante flooring, and that Alicante flooring, you'll notice you do have that center aligned rollers all the way through and throughout. And what's really nice and versatile about this flooring is that it folds back onto itself, which gives you access to those two captain seats up front there, right behind the driver and the passenger up front. And you do have access to a tray there for flowers or other little accessories that you might want to bring on the procession or the service. But not to mention, and also to add, you do have your power liftgate button here, your 12 volt on this side, and below here, this is a removable table, which gives you access to that third row bench. That third row bench is great to be used for a transport vehicle, a lead vehicle, and when that table is flipped over, it could be used as a flower car. That is kind of why we call it the Swiss Army knife for a funeral home. And that will shut on itself with the power lift gate there. Sitting inside the cabin here of this 2024 Chrysler Voyager van, we're going to start it on up. Push button start, keyless entry. Very nice up front here. You see that the seats are in immaculate condition. You do have here your infotainment system where you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius satellite radio, and the Bluetooth options. You do have your heated steering wheel here. Both seats up front here are heated, and you do have quite a cool option to connect your phone here. You do have the reverse here when you throw it in. You do have that backup camera, so you're able to see where you're going when you're in reverse there. You also have your dual climate control here for adjustable temperatures for both the driver and the passenger. You'll see here you have your little coins pocket here, keep all your flyers and what. A and C USB charging and auxiliary port here. And on top of that all, it's just a really great vehicle to use for your funeral home. If you might be interested in this van, give us a call, 800-229-5008. And if you'd like to see some more photos, you can check out our website, parksuperior.com. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.